Hey guys, it's your girl Rayanne Samanthaaa, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm just coming on here to show you guys a quick wrap tutorial. I posted this picture. I don't know if it's going to be here or here, but I posted this picture on Instagram and you guys really loved it, and a lot of you slid into my DMs asking how I wrap my hair, what material I use, etc, etc. So here I am coming to you guys with a quick wrap tutorial. Yeah, I don't know guys, like my wraps never turn out the same. I kind of just keep on wrapping until it looks decent. So yeah, I mean, I hope this one turns out. Usually when I'm trying to do like a specific wrap or want it to look a certain way, it never turns out like that. So yeah, I hope this one turns out for you guys. But if you guys want to see how I got this cute little wrap look, then definitely keep on watching. So wraps are a great way to hide just like really messy, crusty hair, or if you're trying to do a twist out or a braid out and you have your braids or whatever underneath, it's just a great way to hide your hair. Also, you can be deep conditioning under a wrap. It's just a really great way to preserve your hair or hide your hot mess, whichever way you want to look at it. So for starters, you want to pineapple your hair. If you do have long hair, this tutorial is for you. If you don't have long hair, what you can do is use another scarf and kind of just wrap it in a ball and put it on top as if you would do your hair. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to take all of my hair to the front and just put it into like a loose ponytail kind of thing. My hair is really dirty guys, so let's not worry about that. Like, I really like sleek edges when I do wraps. Some people don't, but I do. So my hair was kind of already in a pineapple, and my edges were pretty slick for the most part, but I'm not going to worry about that for this video. So the wrap I'm using is kind of just like, sorry, I can't really get it in the frame, but it looks like this, and it's just a big giant square. That's what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the corners and just I guess meet with the other corner. So basically just the same way you would tie a bandana. I'm gonna take your wrap like this, like a triangle, and put it in the back. You just want to gather it like right here. And this is how you're going to start forming. So take these two pieces, wrap them around, and then just pull this triangle piece down. So you want to start twisting these pieces. So this is the triangle piece. You just want to make sure that's as snug as it can be. And next I'm just going to take this piece and start wrapping it around. And then I'm just going to take the other piece and also start wrapping it around. And then with these pieces, so this is the piece this is the piece from my left side, so I'm just going to tuck that underneath. And then I'm going to take this side, including the tail from the triangle, and I'm just going to wrap that under as well. Then I just kind of center it by turning it around. And yeah, there you have it. As I said, like, my wraps never turn out the same, so I just kind of keep playing with it until it works. But yeah, that's all I have. Let me just double check in the mirror to see if it looks okay on camera. So this is how it looks in the back. So this material is a little bit different. It's a lot more stiff, so I'm able to kind of pin and tuck, where with other but with other material you kind of have to tie things so that it doesn't start to unravel. One thing I do want to say with wraps, you really want to make sure that, for one, your hair underneath is not too tight, and that you do not wrap super tight, because no one likes to have a super tight hair, and even feels like even crazier when your wrap is really tight. It's an instant headache. Nobody wants that. So yeah, just make sure that your hair underneath is in a loose ponytail, and you're making sure not to wrap the wrap super tight and just snatching your edges. Also, last but not least, if there are any wrap companies watching this video, definitely feel free to sponsor your girl, because I'm really looking for more wraps. I would love to review your products. So yeah, just throwing that out there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!